KCG console, professionally empowering critical scene operations. The KCG console is centered on efficiency and durability. Its main frame is made of 6063 T5 aluminum alloy profiles, which are corrosion-resistant and will not deform for 20 years. It is paired with an EO-grade HPL decorative panel on the desktop, which is wear-resistant and environmentally friendly. The LED floor ambient lighting adds a sense of technology. The pull-out main cabinet and the 450-550 215mm base cabinet space meet the equipment's storage requirements. Natural air cooling, heat dissipation, and separate wiring for strong and weak electricity ensure the stable operation of the equipment. Adhering to ergonomic design and optimizing the viewing distance and perspective, it brings a comfortable office experience. It is applicable to multiple fields, such as public security and finance, providing you with professional services.